Alright, let's actually get into one of these little pocket radios I picked up recently. I think a good start would probably be this Westinghouse. Seems like a nice little basic radio. It's from 1962. Comes with a nice leather case. It's probably, I don't know about the cleanest, but it's pretty clean. If you're noticing, my video quality is a bit better this time. And the complaint with this is little volume or else crunchy volume, so yeah. Sounds like a capacitor problem, most likely. I mean, if anything, it's a good kind of practice device. If I end up ruining it, it's not the worst thing in the world. Got 4 that should probably be replaced. Big 696 piece box of replacements. So, well, let's get into this little dealio. Well, this is very Westinghouse. There's no screws in it. Instead, you have to pry those little clips, and you feel like you're about to break the plastic. It's kind of cheap, but oh well. Alright, you ready for this? Oh, there's a pleasant surprise right there. First off, it doesn't have the drawn solder points, or at least not like the ones you usually see in these, where if you do one wrong move, you just have an entire lake of solder, and it's junk. But this will be easy to work on. Another pleasant surprise is that it's actually made by Westinghouse in a Westinghouse factory in the United States. I think it's, let's see. There's a date code right there. 18th week of 62, making it, I think, the oldest of all of them. All the ones I picked up. So, well, let's get to replacing. Alright, so, start off with this one right here. 100 microfarads at 3.5 volts. Closest I have to that on here is 100 microfarads at 16 volts, so that should get the job done well. Alright, first one done. It's nice. It's a lot smaller. That's good. Funny thing is that this is a much bigger capacitor, at least in the voltage department. Let's get to the other ones. Alright, I got all our capacitors replaced. Get the size comparison. It's all good. That connection there seemed a little iffy, so I put a jumper up to the next one, just in case. But let's reattach the speaker and see what it does. Alright, here we go. I got batteries loaded into it. Let's test it. I mean, this thing doesn't sound great, but it's an AM radio with a 2-inch speaker, so. But it's completely recapped now, aside from the disc capacitors, but those don't fail. That was pretty quick. Cool. I'd say it works pretty well. Thanks for watching. More to come pretty soon. Got one of my solder leads stuck in there. Crap, I'll have to get that out somehow. Anyways, join me Discord, all that stuff. Thanks for watching, liking, subscribing, and I'll see ya.